Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Etsy account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to find options related to your account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Follow verification steps. After enabling 2FA, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve entering a code sent to your device or using an authentication app. Once you have completed these steps, your Etsy account will be more secure with two-factor authentication activated. Remember to keep your contact information updated to avoid issues with receiving verification codes.